be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Y'all, so I'm waking up. I'm cooking breakfast. I fell asleep in a baking competition. But I want to try it.
Right there, right there.
That was our cake. Yeah. And they almost done.
No, they really cheated us, yeah.
No. What the It's slanted though, but it feel good.
Slanted?
I don't know.
That might feel good. I'm gonna do it. That lady.
Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Why did John not stable?
Yeah, what you did? You did both of them all in?
Yeah. Keep going.
Wait,
Why is it slant though? I don't know. I'm gonna put this joint back down. Alright, y'all. Right, now we about to go downstairs. That joint smells so good. Where are the palm trees at? What's the sticks for?
For our marshmallow, we do the s'mores.
Oh, I'll get that pink one.
Remember y'all color and y'all stick
Pink right here.
So wash it off when you done and take it.
Ain't nothing. Oh, I put all these things I feel like
Yeah, stay away from the fire.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm cooking them too. Oh, gotcha. He hype right there.
Orange juices. Okay, I'm feeling it.
Turn the exposure down. You got it. Huh? Yeah, we was making some. Hey, Muffin. What you doing? I know, cause I'm trying to.
I zoomed in for you.
You got it. Huh? Yeah, we was making some.
Ain't nothing.
Anybody want cheese in there?
Babe, you start sniffing. What do you do? We woke up. He ain't wait yet.
Okay.
You want cheese, say something?
Yeah. I need a little bit more. All that cheese that man got, don't put that back because your finger's been on it.
It's no more plate.
Yo, and then your finger's been on it. Why would we even take all that?
Let's put it in. I'm gonna use one.
Anybody else want cheese before you touch
Give me the
it?
cheese.
I switched to my phone because it's got 0.5x. Orange juice, apple juice. What's this? Pineapples? Oh, lemonade, apple juice, orange juice.
Get out of court. So she can take them. Those when you get to hit the bottom on top, so.
Hello, hello.
The size is going
Behind the scenes. Yep.
I want to put a little more.
Yeah, put a little bit more all the way over there. Filling the spaces. Then got it over here.
Oh, let me make sure the span can go.
Flip that, Joseph.
Chill, Tom.
Ready? Yeah. All the holes in it, just flip it. 1, 2, 3. Whatever. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, okay.
Thanks for coming.
I don't even think the geezers just like, you know what we did. Right? When we try with the bubble, look, so here's that.
What you mean?
Can you say like that? No, you just kept sniffing.
What?
You just kept sniffing. We tried to come up with food.
What's the day? So I want to be nice to be quick.
Good. I'm so good.
Damn!
Can I make him a plate?
Oh, I love holes.
Alright, is it time?
Yeah. Time to do.
Oh shit. It's going good. Joey, can you slide me a cup?
Life. Alright, yo, we in a little drum. Alright, yo, I look a mess, but I'm in here. I hope you can with them RTA. What is they doing? Oh my gosh! What in the world?
Yo, they got their pajamas on already. I'm about to get in the shower. Put mine on. And yeah. You cool? They hit you? Oh. Oh, yo, Kaya doing her hair. Matching pajamas is on. Period. Alright, y'all, so now we got the pajamas on, we sitting there. We about to make TikToks and stuff like that. I'm gonna come back to you because I ain't trying to get copyrighted.
It's just a regular, it's called peace. That's how you say it in sign language.
Y'all happy or not? I spent the day on this, y'all. Smile with it. Y'all wasn't here because we got to go ahead and was going to do that.
Big G's.
But then y'all take that.
Yeah, finally. I'm like a YouTube thumbnail.
Alright, y'all, the picture's coming along.
Oh yeah, I forgot we got I'm about to drop 2 bands in the morning.
I'm trying to be so right now. I just went to the power. I'm making up.
Alright, y'all, so now we about to go make some s'mores. We got our pajamas in. Why is this doing this? This is mine.
I like gray, I'm getting
Like everybody knew.
Yo, look at my nose rings. My smaller ones. What the heck is? My smaller one came out.
But that's not enough.
You probably can make like.
Got nothing in my thing.
I got some water.
The fire not even lit.
Yo, So now I'm about to walk out here. I'm glad I got my coat on. It's so chilly out here. But how do you light the fire? Right. Well, you can't cuss on YouTube.
Oh, snap.
Alright, y'all. Now we gotta figure out how to light this fire. And they got stuff all in there already.
Y'all can't. My mom got to.
You do?
Nobody touch the fire, she'll do it.
Oh, man. Lit mine.
Ask your doctor how lasting remission can start with
Blow it off, Aaron.
Janssen can help you explore causes.
I like it burnt. Alright, that's all, Aaron. That's all.
There's so much aversion to risk-taking
Y'all see
today,
it?
and I don't think that's the right direction we should be
Put
going.
it on this.
You have to take risks if you want to.
Let me set them up right here.
You have to take risks if you want to expand kind of the self-imposed walls we put around ourselves.
I like the burnt crust, but it doesn't give you a melted.
Alright, wait. Go ahead.
You press start. Oh, I'm not watching.
Yo, this is the menu we about to eat. This is what we about to eat. Stay tuned for part 2. This is my Oreo cookie in the middle.
Because you got to drive and you crash on the road. Oh my God.
That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, taste it and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.